Hey guys, today you're checking out stock number 301642, and this is a 2024 Chevy Silverado LT, and our color is black. So let's take a look inside at some of our interior features that we've got. All right, so we have power windows, mirrors, and locks. Power driver's seat with lumbar support. We've got our parking brake, 4x4 controls, interior and exterior lighting controls. Steering wheel includes heat, forward collision alert, cruise control settings, hands-free, stereo remote controls. And we are satellite radio ready. We've got our lane keep assist, auto start stop, tailgate release, traction control, and hill descent control. Push start ignition, trailer brake, electronic and dual climate control, USB ports, automatic transmission. We are also OnStar ready. We've got our rear window controls, garage door openers, and our interior color is black. Moving on to our exterior features. Sorry, our rear passenger features. Power windows. We've got a 60/40 split bench seat, a couple of USB ports for our rear passengers, and some extra storage compartments for you. Moving on to our exterior, we've got our running boards, 20-inch aftermarket rims, mud flaps, a tailgate step, a rear view camera, fob release tailgate, a spray-on bed liner, a soft tonneau cover as well. And there you have it, guys. That's stock number 301642. You've just checked out this black 2024 Chevy Silverado LT. Got a nice little push bar as well. Nice big push bar. Oh. Thanks for watching.